Now students, we will solve our question number 7 of exercise 4A, which is a room is 12 meter 15 centimeter long and 8 meter 91 centimeter broad. The floor of the room is to be paved with square tiles. Find the length of the largest that can be used, largest tile that can be used. Students, to find out the HCF, first of all we will convert these numbers into centimeters, because we have here two quantities, first in meters and then centimeters. So to make it a whole number, we will convert meters into centimeters. As we know, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 12 meter will be equal to 1200 centimeters, because when we multiply 12 with 100, we got 1200 or 1200 centimeters. And 12, here we got convert the 12 meter into centimeters. Then we will add this 15 meter in it. When we add this 50 meters in 1200, when we add with 15, we got 1215. Here we got our first number. Now convert second number into centimeters. For this purpose, 8 meter is equal to 800 centimeters. When we add this 91 centimeter in it, we got 891. Here we got our second number. So take your greater number 1215 or 1215 as your divisor and smaller number 891 as your divisor. When you will multiply 891 with 2, you will got greater number than 1215. So you will multiply, you will write the multiple with 1. Here is 891. When we subtract them, we got 324. Now convert your divisor as dividend. Again divide them. You got your remainder 243. Change again your dividend as your divisor as your dividend. Again you will got 81 remainder. Now 81 will be your divisor. Change your divisor as your dividend, and at last you will got 3 as quotient and no remainder. So it means 81 is the HCF or highest common factor. Okay. So the length of the tile will be 81 centimeters. It's your HCF, highest common factor. Okay. Now students, here is your question number 8. Find two numbers between 100 and 150 with HCF 24. Here your HCF is given and you will find your numbers. For this purpose, you will find the multiples of 24. Start multiplying 24 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. You will got here some numbers. Now according to question, we need two numbers which are greater than 100 and smaller than 150. So 96 is smaller than 100, so we will move to next number, which is 120, which is greater than 100, and now next number will be less than 150, which is 144. 168 is greater than 150. So here we got our two numbers with the HC of 24 are the numbers which when we find their HCF, the HCF will be 24. Because HCF is 24, the numbers are here. We got 120. Here is your answer, 120 and 144. Let's check. We solve how to solve our question. Either we have to solve question in right way or wrong. For this purpose, you will find the HCF for these two numbers. Either the HCF is 24. If you got the HCF 24, then you are solving in right way. Your solution is on right path. When we got the HCF for these two numbers, here you can see we have got 24 HCF. It means our solution is on right path. So your answer is 120 and 144. In this way, you will complete your exercise 4A. Inshallah, we will meet in our next lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.